To repair scratches on vinyl, try using wood glue to remove dust and even out the surface. Clean the record with a dry brush, liquid cleaning solution, or toothpick to remove dirt and debris. To prevent scratches, always hold the record from the edges and store it properly. Apply wood glue over the record as it spins on the table, creating thin, even lines that follow the grooves. Let the glue dry for 24 hours, then peel it away starting at the outer edge. Play the record to test the sound. Additionally, use a dry vinyl brush to remove surface dirt and dust, and consider purchasing a record cleaning kit for professional cleaning. Make your own cleaning solution with isopropyl alcohol, distilled water, and dishwashing fluid. Rub scratches with a toothpick with soft pressure to remove debris. After listening, store the record in its inner sleeve to protect it.